Hi everybody, my name is Amanda Haines. I am a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm in Lake Mary, standing outside of this 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's on the water and it has a pool. So I'll take you inside so you can have a look. Alright, so I am in Lake Mary, Florida. This house is on the water. There's some construction going on next door. I'll take you inside and show you what they have. So you come into the home, and to your right you have a bedroom. Has nice windows. And then you have your full-size bathroom. The walk-in shower. And also a walk-in closet. You have your garage and a bedroom over here. Nice storage underneath the stairs. Over to your right, you have your dining room. Opening up to your family room. Nice high ceilings, recessed lighting, and the sliding glass doors. You have your kitchen, white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. One of the cool things about this community, you have the gas stove. And your pantry and coffee station over here. Very spacious island if you like cooking. You have plenty of space. Another table next to your pool area. So you have a nice big covered lanai. It's right on the water. I believe they have one lot that is for sale that's on the water. If you want to pick what home you want to have built, that is an option. And then we have the gas range stove inside. And we also have this really cool area for your gas grill. You just hook it up and you're all set. You don't have to have a propane tank or anything like that to refill. Take you back into the kitchen. additional pantry space over here. And a little office station. Very cute. You can still be a part of the family, but you have a little corner to yourself. A half bath over here just before you go up the stairs. I'll take you upstairs. We have the nice backsplash on the stairs. I believe that's what you call it. It's decorative. Get your game on and have a game room up here. Watch movies. So upstairs is the laundry room. This home is 3,368 square feet. I'll take you over to the master bedroom. View out your window. You have your pool and your lake view. Your master bedroom. Over to your master bathroom. You have your toilets. Nice spacious walk-in shower. Bench. I like the shelving for your shampoos. And your double vanity. And then a very large walk-in closet. Flooring in this home is really nice. The bedrooms are carpeted. And then on the other side here, we have 2 additional bedrooms. I have a little tea party in here. Walk-in closet. Very cute room. You have your double vanity. Nice big shower, tub area. And then the last bedroom upstairs. Again, carpeted bedroom, the walk-in closet. That is the tour. Again, we're in Lake Mary. If you would like to see this yourself, please give me a call. My name is Amanda. 407-630-8484. Bye, everybody.